All tickets for today have been distributed. How frustrating. That is not what you want to see at the Washington Monument. I'm going to demonstrate how to easily make advance reservations online for the Washington Monument. I absolutely guarantee if you follow my steps exactly, you will get tickets. Now, before you think that's easy to do, let me tell you that tickets are sold out within a few seconds of being made available to the public. So if you don't have a plan and you don't know exactly what you're doing, the only thing I can guarantee is that you won't receive tickets to the Washington Monument. If you're not able to get tickets beforehand, you'll need to stand in line to get free tickets on the day you want to go on a first-come, first-served basis. This is a horrible idea because the lines are very long at the ticket window and you'll need to get to the window extremely early in the morning to have any chance of getting a ticket. With my strategy, I guarantee you'll be able to obtain these hard-to-get tickets, which are given out 30 days prior to the tour date. So step number 1, go to recreation.gov and set up an account. To increase your chances of getting tickets, create your recreation.gov account beforehand and be logged in before the tickets are released. Tickets are available 30 days in advance of the tour date. So let me go ahead and demonstrate exactly how to do this with getting actual tickets. I'll show you right now. A few minutes before 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, log into your recreation.gov account. With a phone or something else that has the exact time, refresh your browser at exactly 10 a.m. If you wait until 10 a.m. and 15 seconds, the tickets will all be gone, so you have to move fast and have exactly the right time. After refreshing your browser, you'll need to select the date you want, and the only date that tickets will be available will be 30 days in the future. You pick the time you want and how many tickets you want, and now you have 15 minutes to purchase your tickets. If this has been helpful, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much and enjoy your trip